Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing a login lockout on Spotify, follow this quick guide to regain access to your account and resolve authentication issues. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to spotify.com. Click on Login at the top right corner. Step 2. On the login page, click Forgot Your Password below the password field. Step 3. Enter the email address associated with your Spotify account and click Send to receive a password reset link. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a message from Spotify with the subject line about resetting your password. Check spam or junk folders if you don't see it. Step 5. Click the reset link in the email and create a new strong password following Spotify's requirements. Step 6. After resetting your password, return to the Spotify login page and log in with your email and new password. Step 7. If you're still locked out, try logging in from a different device or browser to rule out device-specific issues. Step 8. Clear your browser cache and cookies, or reinstall the Spotify app if you're using mobile. Step 9. If problems persist, contact Spotify support through their help center by going to support.spotify.com and submitting a support request. Step 10. Once resolved, consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security by going to your Spotify account settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.